Hello, I'm David Chaston with 989, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the Kiwi dollar is rising, despite what the RBNZ would like to see. But first, according to a Federal Reserve report released today, Americans lost nearly $1.2 trillion in wealth in the third quarter, as their shaky stock market contributed to one of the largest declines in household net worth since the economic recovery began. In China, a tax break has seen new car sales there surge in November. Monthly sales rose to 2.2 million, up 24% year on year, the largest monthly increase in nearly 2 years. The growth was largely due to the government cutting the 10% purchase tax in half on small cars. China's lower growth track and economic transition will pose particularly significant risks for the shipping industry, especially dry bulk and container shipping. The rise of air freight driven by online shopping isn't helping either. These risks have seen ratings agency Fitch put the whole sector on a negative outlook. Container shipping is suffering from a surge in capacity. It rose 9% in 2015 and will rise another 6% next year, they say, far outpacing the expected demand growth of more than 3% in 2016. The Australian competition watchdog has launched legal action against supermarket giant Woolworths for unconscionable conduct over its dealings with suppliers. The accusation is that they use standover tactics to wring payments from suppliers to make up for a profit shortfall in their business. The ACCC has taken similar action against rival Coles, and they say the Woolworths action is shameless because it went after suppliers with arbitrary demands, while a legal case with Coles was in the courts and in the media spotlight. Woolworths operates the Countdown chain in New Zealand. New Zealand's competition regulator turned a blind eye to similar complaints against Countdown here. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark rose marginally today and is now at 2.22%. The US benchmark oil price is down yet again, now under $37 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is now under $40 a barrel. The gold price slipped as well, now at $1,072 an ounce. New Zealand dollar has not responded in the way the RBNZ would have wanted. Following the OCR cut, done in large part to get the dollar down, it rose in trading yesterday and kept its upward bias overnight. It is now at 67.6 US cents, 92.7 Aussie cents and 61.8 Euro cents. The TWI is now at 72.6 and its highest in 6 weeks. And don't forget to be part of history. Today is the last day to vote in the flag referendum, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm David Chaston. That was 9 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.